Oh, 909. There you go, Tommy. On NQ. And look, ES stayed above IB that whole time on the 15-minute. And the 5-minute. Look at that. That's a tweezer on this. So there's your further confidence. There's a tweezer on IB high right now. Look at that 10-minute hammer that closed right on my level. About to go make me some lunch here. Just kind of want to see what this does first. The apple knocker. That's pretty funny. Casey got the curtains closed, the lights off. He's just taking is it nap time. Did you just wake up?
Dude, I might as well have.
It's
Boring
dark
day.
in your room today.
Yeah, no sunshine. It's been thunderstorming here all day.
It's been thunderstorming here like every night for like 3 weeks.
We've had nothing but 90-degree sunshine for 3 weeks, no rain. So I mean, the grass needed it. So
yeah, I heard it was like super hot.
Dude, it's been ridiculously hot. Hopefully the rain will cool off the pool a little bit.
Uh-oh. SPX. What are you going to do? Are you going to get stuck under? I was just about to go make me some breakfast, honestly. Daily chart, Casey, it's like right there.
I know.
Right there.
It hit it this morning earlier, and I took the short on SPY, closed it for minus 20%, and just been watching it. Q's is playing out really nicely for this short. SPY decided to hold up a little bit better. It's been a weird, slow day.
Yeah, I honestly have done like hardly anything.
Same.
I've had like two little trades. I did kind of like this one, but since I'd been so patient, I just didn't love it. But the way when this pushed up here and swept Thursday's high on ES and SPY, I thought that was probably the best time to probably short, and it was much better on NQ, and it played out where I thought it would, and it's kind of bouncing, holding here where I thought it would. So I've like scalped a little bit. I'm up slightly.
Does my mic sound okay?
Yeah, it does. Pretty crisp,
right.
Actually.
I haven't tested it out yet. This is the first time I've hooked it up, so
it sounds good.
Nice.
I don't know. We got an hour until World Cup and Power Hour. I'm gonna go.
Dude, I think we go lower.
Make some food real fast.
I think we can go lower.
If we see 800, I'll probably try long on NQ.
Yeah.
I don't really have much else between here and there, and I need some more confluence than that. I think it could still potentially hold here, but SPY's at 750 even, and VWAP. Qs are weaker though. I don't know. I'll be right back. You look tan, Casey. That's because you didn't have bright lights on. He does look like you got some sun this weekend.
Yeah, you did.
I got a lot of sun, dude. The kids look like they're mixed right now.
Yeah, little Cubano, huh?
Yeah, they really do. It is crazy.
It's funny.
Matthew has like the worst farmer's tan. It's ridiculous because his
You
shirt.
wear a little rash guard or what?
No, so he wears a long sleeve like swim shirt. So he looks funny whenever we take it off because like his wrist to like right here is tan, his neck to his head And then, I mean, his legs are super tan, but then you just take off his freaking shirt and he's just Casper White on his chest and back.
Lord said
But
Milano Tan too. It does look like in the past few days you've just been pinning Milano Tan, honestly. That's what it looks like. Like, not in a bad way. Looks great. Fucking good
looking
tan.
bronze.
Yeah. Literally
Looking
looks like you just
bronze.
pinned a little bit of MT2 and fucking went out and baked in the sun for an hour. Fire.
Just enjoying this weather while we have it.
Mm-hmm. Damn right. Ayo.
Ew. Jordan, guess what stock I'm long right now?
What stock is that?
Take one guess.
Hold on. Give me a second.
One guess. Is red on the day. So
Okay.
Don't look for, so don't
I
look
was
for green.
thinking so, but hold on. Hold on. Is it Mr. Softy?
Nope, it's not tech.
It's not tech.
Ooh, okay, here. Final, I'll give you one more guess. It's not tech, but the first letter you have correct.
Okay. Hold on. What else do I have that's red? I don't have anything else that's red in my watch list that starts with this.
You swing in to
Tell me.
this
Tell me.
drive-through.
McDonald's. I see. Okay. Fuck.
Yeah.
Mickey D's.
Yeah, we're giving it a shot here.
Why didn't I think of that? What? Of course it's McDonald's. Casey's ordering a McGangbang.
We're actually having steaks tonight.
Nice. Wow, look
Here,
at
let me
that
send-
curve today to the upside on Mickey D's. Oh.
Yeah. So two things on McDonald's. Three things on McDonald's, real quick. You go to your weekly chart on McDonald's. Go to your low from Monday, March 7th of 2022. Draw a trend line right there. You're gonna hit the Monday, July 8th, 2024 low. And then we just hit trend line again down there in the mid 260s.
I see.
So decent reaction up there. We're coming to resistance at 280. And then intraday so far, we opened up around 280. We pulled back down.
I was trying to answer McDonald's. I'm in the kitchen like cooking. I was trying to yell McDonald's. My mic was muted. I was gonna text it on my phone. I don't have my phone with me either, but I was like, there's gotta be McDonald's. As soon as he said it starts with the same letter, I was like, it's gotta be McDonald's.
Yeah. So it hit that 280. It back tested for the higher low where I have a zone at 273, and it printed an hourly Morningstar reversal off of that. So we'll see. We're going to give it a shot. Needs to get over daily trend line. So once it pushes through 280, 285 is going to be the main test. If sometime this week or next week it holds, above, for me, around 272, 273 area, I would like for it to push up above 280, breaking base over 285 on your daily, and then let the weekly continue to play out after that and start getting a push up a little bit higher. So we'll see what she does. There's also call flow that came in earlier today as well on some 300s for October, I believe.
Oh, ES ripping.
Yeah, we back tested 900 on NQ. I scalped a quick long.
Bro, are you guys ready for the in-person event? It's 4 Mondays away. 4 Mondays. Fuck, dude.
I'll spy 5-minute VWAP for the first time since 10 a.m.
I gotta get back to Puerto Rico. I'll be there for like a week and a half, and then we're off to New York. Man, what the fuck? So what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Oh, this is a good one. Here we go.
Oh, you're $40 away from an Apex payout? Let's fucking go.
Let's
ready?
go.
Ready? RTY long right now. Boom, one contract. Go, 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 go.
Oh, he's doing it. He's doing
Go,
it.
go, go, go,
He's
go,
doing
go.
it.
Not financial advice. That's right.
Ooh, this could be good. Oh, yeah. This is perfect. Yes. Yes. Remove fucking live trades. There we go. Bang.
We're still holding?
Yeah,
Still
yeah,
home.
we're just chilling right down here.
SPX. Nice. IB high.
Hey. Download. Oh, this is perfect. Airdrop. Bang. Perfect. Yup.
Dude, I swear, noise cancellation does not work on Restream. I swear to God.
Seriously.
I think OBS, it's a little bit better. So bored. We are just.
Look, it's beach day at my kid's school. I just sent you 2 pictures, Casey.
Oh, let me check. Oh yeah, let me send these ones too. Oh, let's go! Look at those studs. That's what I need. That outfit right there.
Yeah, no, we're buying them that outfit, and I was like, man, a little Cuban hat. Like honestly, that's what Jordy should be dressing like every day.
Cause I bought the other hat, but it's freaking big. I need something like that. Those ones look good.
Yeah, I've got the big hat too.
Love the shorts with the palm trees.
Oh yeah, H&M. There we go. Nice hold. If you got long.
I did, and then I went to go trim, and when I trimmed one, I accidentally sold them all. So closed out my entire position. Let's fucking go.
I might finally be making some money here today. It'd be nice.
Shit, not me.
Dude, I've done like nothing all day.
Yeah. And there's another trim spot right there. Fuck! Look at that. That's 55 points. Hey, if you took that RTY long, you should have made $50 on that one contract for whoever needed to pay out. Jesus, look at that freaking bounce. NVIDIA time? Dude, NVIDIA's been so disappointing lately. Like, I think you can scalp it like intraday, but NVIDIA's been boring. Amazon can't get over 245.7. Big daily spot up there. You sure this back test of VWAP on Qs?
21.
Should I do it? Should I hit the short real quick? What do we think? I mean, I'll know quickly if I'm wrong if we start pushing above like 980. You can risk like 20 points, but I mean, I wish I was still long, Nate, but I just closed it out, so now I'm pissed. It's called revenge trading.
Yeah.
Let's fucking go.
There's definitely a spot here, but
That's a strong bounce. Some volume came in
IB
too.
the IB trade says you try to at least get back to 977 and then probably back to IB high.
I'd rather it popped up a little bit higher to 980. Try it there. Just looking at cues on the 5-minute. You're at VWAP in the 21. First time breaking both of those and back testing it.
And the video went right back through VWAP and all the EMAs. 15 minutes, got a reversal potential. Gonna print. We got 3 minutes left.
Yeah, you got a buy signal right now on Q's 15-minute if it can hold up here.
Yeah.
And
Yes, yes as well. Right off of IB high. I think we're probably gonna go back to that 30K area. World high
Microsoft
was just over there. Yeah.
looking. It's the only red one, but it's not selling off anymore. But it's also not really pumping either. Just basing.
Now, yes, this is the same rejection spot again, though. 75.90.
Amazon's coming down.
It's probably left hand, left butt cheek, right hand, right butt cheek.
Meta's popping.
Oh, Jose. Just past the eval that he won the other day on the stream.
Let's go. Oh, with the new microphone? Yeah, I got it hooked up to Discord too, so now I can use the microphone on multiple streams. And then just use the AirPods for the output. No wonder it sounds amazing.
Yeah, that's what I do. I do AirPod output and mic is.
Can you plug wired headphones into the back of your microphone?
No, but I have the Rodecaster that I could plug wired headphones into.
See, if I would have known that, I would have kept my over-the-ear ones that I had before, because I can. This one's got a bunch of crazy shit on the back of it, but you can plug them in directly into the back of it.
Ooh, Meta is ripping, by the way.
Mm-hmm. I'm just trying to find the best setup to where myself and everyone else does not have to hear my kids in the back.
Yeah, good luck.
But they can break through any sound barrier, like noise cancellation. Yeah. What? Like shit don't work. Nate, I swear to God, if we drop down to 925 on NQ, I'm gonna be pissed because you told me not to take the short. I'm gonna be pissed. Michelle, I'm glad you love hearing my kids, because I don't. Spy still looks good. I mean, it looks like we want to move higher. Q's just lagging, but Meta's looking good. If Amazon holds right there, looks good. Meta just got more volume too.
I know, that's what I'm just watching. Apple's also curling.
What was that volume spike earlier on Meta? Because there was no news that I saw. Go to your 5-minute and look at 12:15. Yeah.
This one? Yeah.
There was no news for that. It just happened literally out of nowhere. Do you standard settings for RSI? Yeah. Yeah. And then I have a divergence.
I remember looking and I didn't see anything that like stuck out to me either.
Oh, there you go. Look at it. Look at this volume coming in. Oh. SPY is about to make a new high. I mean, Q's is not even close, but popping.
All right. I just got my full exit on the long. Okay, well, turned into a pretty good day. I do think
It's a 15-minute close. Oh,
SPX looks like it wants to run to 50.
the 15-minute did close with the buy signal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Equal high
look-
test here.
Look at this 15-minute on. I mean, this is gorgeous. This is what you want, right?
Yeah, if we can.
You have a 15-minute buy signal here after holding IV high, and you have room to the upside. You're rejected previous day's high. Now you've reloaded to come back into it. On NQ, this one's a little bit more iffy because you have this like 30K area. I mean, it can still come up here. Orb high is 30,010, and then 042 is IB high.
I want to get long again on Qs. I just want to see it pull back a little bit.
I mean, I just exited after, as I'm saying all this. It did just run 100 points, but
Where's SPX? 75, 40. What's increase? I mean, 75.50 is increasing above again. So, I mean, we can break in base over this spot on SPX and SPY. 75.50 be the next target upside for SPX.
that's what I was looking at on like the this whole Baltic thing. That 75.50 is the flip spot, but it's also the biggest, by far, the biggest level of gamma. 75.20 was the other one. We just headed towards that and turned back around. Now we're headed towards the upper one. You basically had a put wall at 75.20 that was built and a call wall at 75.50. He's 30-point range. America. You're welcome.
Wait,
Lord of Wall Street.
Where do you have the flip spot on SPX?
It says 75.50 on this one. Baltic. I've got some more of these tools. I'm Bull Flow I'm supposed to get set up with tonight, I think.
Oh, okay. Wait, I think you're showing all expirations. Let me see.
This is for today right here.
No, yeah, but click 0DT in the top left underneath SPX. Right there, watch it change. Boom. See?
No, it's the same.
No, look where your flip is.
Oh, the flip move. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I see what you're talking about. And this
That's
flip
also
actually,
like
so this flip though, just earlier it was down here.
Mm-hmm.
And it moved, so that means positioning has moved out. And if you look here, this has changed throughout the day on the 75.50. The strikes for later this week and then for next week have changed. They've gone up because these were not here earlier.
Yeah. And then even today expiration, I mean, you got 75, 60 starting to increase a little bit. You got 730 increasing on Qs.
Yeah, I got this Baltic one set up. I've got Bull Flow. I'm supposed to be getting Book Map. Started reaching out just to get more tools for the stream. I mean, some of them I use and look at. Some of them I just ask others that use them. But if I can get more tools for the stream, we'll do it.
Yeah, I just got the new update from Bullflow. Looking at the gamma chart right now, it's looking pretty good. It's actually looking really good today. It's pretty neat. Dude, Meta.
What the hell is Meta
Damn,
doing?
we should have took the calls when I said that volume's coming in. Holy shit. This is still volume coming in. That thing's popping.
I don't have news on Meta really.
Me either. I just kept
Yeah.
seeing volume. That was literally it. I don't know what the fuck's going on.
I'm looking to see if I can find any like speculation type of stuff. Meta, what Tesla passed Meta in market cap? Maybe people were like, okay, that doesn't make any sense.
Oh, you took the Meta calls? Oh, you're up. Nice, dude.
Meta capex surge in 2027. NeoCloud fears are erroneous. This semi-analysis. That's actually just came out in the last few minutes. I don't know what came out earlier today. It is ripping on volume. There's no doubt about that.
Mm-hmm.
I will whip your butt.
Oh, do you hear that?
I heard that.
Yeah, I think she's getting into the pantry with something. I don't know what the fuck she's doing.
Yee. Classic.
I just got done eating lunch. She probably just went a bunch of snacks or something too.
Or didn't finish lunch and then went to grab something else.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, is that a little New York strip over there on the right side, Casey?
It is. Yeah, we
So
had
that's
2
my
strips
favorite.
and two ribeyes, but we're saving one of the strips. So just gonna cook those 3.
I don't know why. Like there's not like there's something special about it. It's just New York strip. Just like if I'm buying just steaks at the grocery store, the whatever meat shop, whatever, just New York strip. I don't know. Tastes good. It's a nice cut. It's easy to grill.
Yeah, strips and fillets. Those are probably the top 2 for me.
I like fillets. They're usually thicker, so it's a little tougher. Speaking of fillets, wherever Frankie took us last time we were in NYC, whatever that place was called, that was the thickest fillet I've ever had in my life.
Sparks, right? Went to Sparks.
Sparks, that's what it's called. Yeah, that fillet. Like normally, I order a filet mignon, and I'm like, okay, it's gonna be good, but it's not gonna fill me up. That thing was massive.
You guys should read the history of that. That's where Castellano got whacked right outside there.
Yeah, I remembered the story part of that. I just can't remember what it was called.
Paul Castellano, I think his name was.
There's 30K. There is a new high on SPY. Banks have been super strong all day. ADD's been improving since this morning's dip. Vol EQ is strong. Vol D has been relatively weak. I'm not gonna say I did it, but I know it. Sparks mean you look. Sparks was good. It was like the only place I really. I mean, me and Jordan found some random Mexican restaurant on the side of the road that we sat outside and just people watched, drink margs. That was awesome. We were just. I don't even
That
think,
was
I
a
don't even-
ton of fun.
Dude, it wasn't
The
even
tacos
like,
weren't even that good, but it was just like they're decent enough, and the margs were good. So I was like, hey.
I don't even remember the
We
food.
got the balcony, or not the balcony, but like the outside little terrace view.
It was
you
like
know?
it was the patio, like on the
little
sidewalk.
patio, yeah. I was like,
Everybody
this is
that was just
perfect for
walking up and
people
down.
watching. And New York, it's like there's so many different types of people. We were just sitting back, like people watching.
Dude, people watching and just like talking for them.
Yeah,
That
right.
was that was the best part, dude. I was just
I know.
it was
We'd be like,
rolling.
shit, it's funny.
What are my thoughts on Trump playing a role in overturning the U.S. red card? I have no problem with Trump doing it. I have no problem with the U.S. doing it. It's FIFA's job to say no. I don't know. I think it's pretty bush league. I think it's a red card. I think it's a one-match suspension. If it was during a league and you get the 3-game ban and they wanted to overturn that and put it down to 1, I would have, like, that decision would have made more sense, but I think it looks pretty bad on FIFA, but we already know FIFA is corrupt and looks bad. So that's basically all you get. Now, like, the silver lining that I gave earlier, Jay, was at least there's no excuse now, because like if the US lost tonight without Flo, then that would have just been the excuse. Oh, if we would have had our bet. At least it's US at full strength against Belgium at full strength. So and this whole thing, a one year pause on the suspension or like probation or whatever, that makes 0 sense. No sense whatsoever.
I don't know a lot about soccer, but like that happened so fast. I don't think he did it on purpose. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but it's not on purpose. I mean, have you ever seen like a guy go up for a dunk or a layup and somebody's like turns around, tries to play defense and undercuts their legs and flips them? They're still getting a technical foul, right?
Right.
Like there doesn't have to be intent.
Just gotta articulate if they went more for the ball or for the player. I mean,
Yeah. The guy who broke his arm after the game, did he get a red card?
No,
He
that was
should've.
hilarious though. Did you see? Casey, did you see that?
no, I
This
heard
guy
it.
for England, Jordan Henderson. He played for Liverpool forever and ever. He's old. He's like 35, 36 now. He's just kind of like a backup, you know, a locker room leader type of guy. But he got a yellow card during the match for being like too far down. He's on the bench. He was too far down the sideline, and he was like trying to he was yelling at the ref, and he was trying to do something with the ball, like the ball boy stuff. And they gave him a yellow card. And then after the match, he tried to jump over the advertising board that's like behind the goal, and he like slipped and fell and broke his arm or something.
Oh, they showed it. I saw it. It's disgusting.
Oh
Really
my
snapped
god.
it.
How do you not participate in the game, get a yellow card and an injury?
You break your arm in a spot where they don't use arms. In a sport where they don't use arms, you don't use hands or arms, and you break your arm. It's crazy.
But yeah, intent doesn't matter. It's the fact is, like, the rules are literally, Google just got a candle, New Hive Day. The rule is written to keep people from doing reckless things, whether you intend to hurt somebody or not. But you can't just jump and fly into the air like that. The ball was going the opposite direction, and when he came down, raked the entire guy's leg, and then stood on his ankle with his metal studs. Like, this, it's just dangerous. It's just what it is. And that's true for every, just like last night, England's red card, the rule is 1,000% written for that. You go sliding in, your foot goes over the ball and hits the guy with your studs, it is a red card. There was way too many legs broken and ankles broken in the 90s and like early 2000s for them to not make these rules. Now look, if he would have given him a yellow card, I don't even know that they would have reviewed it, and I think it would have probably just stayed as a yellow card. That's just my opinion. And I think if you give him a yellow card, it's probably like, everyone's probably like, okay, you know, somebody will complain. Somebody's going to complain no matter what. It's the biggest sport in the world, the biggest sporting event in the world. There's always going to be differing opinions and people complaining on either side.
Oh, Boeing. Gosh dang it.
Oh yeah, Canada had a guy get his leg snapped. That was gross by Qatar.
Yikes.
Yeah, I'm gonna close these ones. I'm gonna watch these two for call swings. These look good.
And maybe I did exit at the right spot. Look at that, 30K. But boom. I don't know. NQ looks like it went slower again. ES looks still pretty decent. And your mags are starting to do well.
Anybody want to swing DraftKings calls with me? Hey, my McDonald's is green. Must be popping a little bit.
My lip gloss is popping.
My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. Probably August 21st. Let's see. Oh, they're cheap. Look at the $30 calls on DraftKings. They're stupid cheap.
Well, of course, FIFA rejected Belgium's appeal because they just decided on that same appeal.
Oh.
When you swing calls, what strikes? Like, I feel like everyone's a little bit different, like, on that, and there's different scenarios for different stuff. But I like KC's strike selection most of the time. He's gonna find somewhere on the chart that matches up with somewhere with open interest and somewhere that has at least 3 to 4 weeks, usually 2 to 3 weeks minimum of time. It's kind of like the sweet spot that I agree with and that I like as well. So
These are cheapies. DraftKings $30 calls, August 21st at $82.
Yeah, Portugal Spain is a huge huge matchup. Spain's a better team, but you never know what can happen. Plus, they're like neighbors, right? Portugal's only neighbor. Portugal has one border, and it's Spain. Yeah, Jay, I'll say that. Yeah, best. Yeah, not only best game of the tournament. That's one of the best knockout games in a World Cup you're probably ever going to see. At least one of the best ones we've seen in a long, long time. And Samuel, yeah, completely agree with you. I mean, if anything, don't stick your leg out and stand on top of the guy when you're trying to catch your balance. Just fall down. You jumped in the air, take the fall. Don't put your cleats into somebody's ankle and
Thursday.
drag it down their leg. And he knows that. Every player knows that.
Today is low.
I don't know who I want to win this game today, to be honest.
What does that put it down at? That's not bad.
Like this could be Ronaldo's last game as a Portuguese international. I don't even know what the betting odds are. I'm assuming it's favored to Spain pretty strongly. Yeah, minus 110 plus 300. 245 on the tie. I don't know. Spain haven't even given up a goal yet, have they?
Ooh, little choppy jump. Oh, IWM
I
volume
don't
downside.
think Spain's been scored on. Spy has it too. Same volume spike there. Is there a headline out? I just saw somebody. Yeah, if Portugal get knocked out here, there's no way Ronaldo's ever going to play another World Cup. Google new highs. Meta still pushing.
Amazon held, coming back up. Microsoft held, coming back up to retest. Meta's doing whatever it wants to do. NVIDIA is still disgusting. Oh, the AMD 550 puts are almost in the money from this morning when it went to 570. They flipped it. Swing Apple? Probably not. We'll see.
Ronaldo is one of the greatest to play the game.
SPY still holding good. IWM just got some volume there.
Ooh, gold. Gold, it's to the upper side of this downtrend. Google. Google is Googling.
Great Google it, Moogle it, that thing juicy.
Aquí es donde comienza la historia, superando cada piedra. Este es el momento que esta vez,
Meta and Google. That's what they're buying.
porque cada paso que doy crea la inspiración que conecta al mundo. La inspiración nos conecta a todos.
This has been a messy day. I'm glad I made money today because this has been a messy trading day.
That it has.
Yeah, it has.
You basically have a failed head and shoulders here. 5 minutes on Qs.
Q's looks like a little cup and handle right here. On a 5 minute.
And if you try to do this for the head and shoulders, it broke down, reclaimed.
Mm-hmm. I just don't like IWM. It looks like an inverted kind of cup and handle. It's
It
sitting
does
as-
look like a
Yeah.
head and shoulders or yeah.
It's the only one I
This
don't
15
like.
minute.
Everything else still looks decent. Oh.
I'm saying yes. Messi's gonna score a goal today, even though he's not playing. It's a messy day. 3 trades, 3 goals.
Ooh. Ooh.
I'll tell you what, it's
What was
actually
that?
time for a little lip pillar. A lip pillar.
No, wiki.
Oh, little higher high. Look, you just stayed long from the buy signal. You're cooking. This feels like it wants to cook here the next 12 minutes until this oh, you mean Lamal walked in with a Texas Rangers white hat on? That's sick. That's actually awesome. Anybody else just see that? Sorry, Dragon. I'm bored too. I'm watching more other stuff. Look, this has a feeling of a really tough battle game. Portugal just used up all the luck in the world possible to get here. I don't know. Spain hasn't given up a goal, so I do think both teams score. And I think you probably get a like a 2-1, 3-1 win from Spain. I'm actually going to put on that bet. Both teams to score. See, I can get Spain plus 102 as well. Over 2.5 goals. I like that one.
Google popping still. Amazon's coming up to test that high again.
ES is at the high, making a new high. Oh, I think it's going to the 99 where I drew this box earlier. And SPX is going to go visit that 50 that we've been watching light up on Voltic all day. New high on yes again.
Is it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, SPY's cruising. IWM and QQQ are not.
Got over 2.5
IWM
goals.
is actually in a 15-minute squeeze downside right now.
Yeah, Google Meta. Diego, oh, that's pretty cool. They put Diego Jota in the. He died in a car wreck. The Portuguese player.
IWM does not like 300 today. Q's is not popping up a little bit more right here. Prince had a buy signal, 240.
$50, 75.50. Let's see it. That's been the magnet draw all day on the S&P. And this is full on breakout now. Especially if we close up here today on this daily, Casey.
Mm-hmm. We're finally going to get the break in base over that spot on SPX. If she can do it. Do we have any big earnings coming out this week?
This week, no.
I think Delta. That's it. Next week it's
Delta.
Earnings season gets started next week.
Delta earnings may move the entire NASDAQ though, so keep
I
that.
thought you were going to say Pepsi. or what about Levi Jeans?
Got Penguin tomorrow, Pepsi, Delta, yeah.
Levi Strauss.
Leroy Jenkins. Nothing big on the calendar for data tomorrow. You got a little bit of data Wednesday with FOMC minutes. Not going to be too crazy if I take a guess. Thursday, a little bit of data. Friday clear schedule. I mean, we're kind of in the clear.
This is the float higher July. It's set up. We get the FOMC meeting minutes on Wednesday, but I mean, this is fully set up for the float higher.
Pepsi stopped me out last week just for it to reclaim, and then it's going to rip on earnings. And that's just going to be like the icing on the cake and like the big middle finger to me.
Look,
Where's Pepsi?
if you're a US fan, you're cheering for Portugal. You do not want to play against Spain. You'd much rather play Portugal. Plus, it's a revenge game from 2014, right?
Dude, Pepsi, piece of shit. You better dump on earnings. Although-
There's the top of my ES box, basically.
If you look at Pepsi today and look at McDonald's, if you overlay them, they're identical. So if I'm long McDonald's, I guess I have no choice but to also be long Pepsi.
If we buy the dip on Wingstop,
Have you ever looked at their options?
that's not good.
They're terrible.
They were way better back here when it was ripping. Because
Uh-huh.
like people were having to like sell and sell and sell.
The last
market
like
makers
year,
are
year and a
horrible.
half, you can't really trade options on it.
You ever looked at Pollo Loco?
Loco.
Pollo Loco. Que arranca partido.
Golazo. Yo, Q's, you gonna pop up or not? What's that? INTC? Volume spike on INTC. Flow alert from Bullflow. 122 calls at the money for this week. 710s. 923.8K spent.
We'll say Power Hour. We have a sponsor for Power Hour today, Direction ETFs.
Is it already power?
You've probably
hour?
heard of.
It is.
You've probably heard of a lot of their ETFs. Soxel, Sox S, 3x leveraged both sides of the semiconductor trade. Full list, go to direction.com. Make sure you read the prospectus on anything, all that good stuff. Shout out to Direction for sponsoring this. They've got some interesting stuff coming up too. This SK Hynix, I guess, is going to be a big IPO. See how that plays out. I'm long gold, and I hadn't even looked at UGLD. I probably should have bought some of this too.
Who's shorting Caterpillar?
Michael Burry.
Someone just bought some 960 puts.
You just hit 7,600 even on. Look at my box. Does it get any closer? SPX 1 point away from that big gamma level pushback already. And your rejected ORPI, 30-minute ORPI, and the 30K on NQ.
Just got a price
Maybe that
alert
tops
on
us now.
Google.
On the Googs?
Yeah, it's got a price alert, which means it's testing a big level. Oh yeah, look at that daily. I mean, just send it
Short
back
this
up.
on NQ right here.
Look at IWM.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Can we just short this right here? Take it back to 940s and 920s.
SPY looks good. Q's looks flat. IWM looks weak. Google's
VWAP.
daily looking spicy. Broke trend line on Thursday. It closed a doji directly at the daily 21. So neutral to bullish though into the weekend. Now stock's up almost 2%.
Dog days of summer. Shout out to all of you still hanging out with us on a slow market day, especially for the S&P. Slow grind higher. Shout out to the people in the chat earlier that were like, hey, I made my money. I'm just walking away. Shout out to that.
I'm hoping there's
Shout
still
out
one
to the
more
world.
trade.
I think you could probably short ES up here against the high too.
RTY short's playing out a little bit.
I will say the final of the World Cup should have either been in Mexico City or Dallas. Maybe LA. MetLife, what a joke. Did Frank take any trades today? Frank never goes a whole day without trading. I guarantee Frank took 5 trades at least. But I bet it was a light day for even for Frank. If I had to guess.
Light day. Not a lot of trades. What am I doing here? I don't even know. I haven't looked.
I'm still red on the day by a few $100 overall. It's been boring.
I'm up $1,032.
Let's go. I joked this morning about Boeing gonna hit 235 today because I missed my call entry and it ripped right out of the gate, and now it's almost there.
I want Portugal to score first and then buy the dip on Spain. And I want a short NQ like right here. But since I was super patient, put a good day together, probably not going to do anything.
More volume IWM downside. It's
Yeah,
about
I'm
to hit
short.
midpoint.
I'm short ES and short NQ here, very light on my third account.
I like it. I'm thinking about it.
Oh my god. What a miss. Here you go, MYG. Yeah, the only thing I don't like is you've got like a couple big companies still flying.
Oh, what a freaking RTY short.
The thing is, I like this Portugal team a lot, but I think they play better without Ronaldo. But they're not going to sit Ronaldo.
Order filled. Order filled.
Spy's starting to pull back a little bit, but Q's still popping up.
Yeah.
Nothing in tech is really ripping right here, though.
Order filled.
Tesla just got some volume.
Order filled.
My average is 06 on NQ and 96 on yes. We'll see. It looks pretty strong though.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
They may just want to pull it up to that spot, close it. It's a trend day. Could close up there at the highs, but
Order filled.
whoa. Cristiano. Look at that stud. And the most likely outcome here is just a float higher.
Q's popping.
I know, I don't like it. It wants to go back to that IV high.
What?
I really don't want to sit 30, 40 points.
Mm,
Yes is still fine.
I'm short. No, I added some short here. We'll see. I'll know quickly if I'm wrong.
I told myself I wouldn't add to the short, so I'm just Gonna chill.
IWM was that was a great short.
Oh my god.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
There you go. Come on back down.
Order filled. Order filled.
Of course, there's gonna be a ton of photographers here. I mean, this is a big matchup with one of the World Cup favorites, and then one of the most popular sports figures, if not the most popular sports figure in the world.
Damn it, Discord, you suck.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Order
Come
filled.
on. Give him more than that. That was nothing. I want to see you go back down to like 985 at least. Oh, McDonald's coming up to pre-market highs.
Ooh. Oh.
Ooh, volume.
What a save.
Little volume pop on cues.
I'm not even watching the Q's chart.
IWM
bit higher.
298.92 is a daily level and basically kind of hit there.
The video's pushing. Yeah, a lot of your mags are pushing right now. It's not ideal for a short on NQ, but the ES short is still in play. Just riding the 9 still though. Mm.
Where's SPX at? 5-minute 9. I mean, it could flag out right here and just go to that next level up.
Just go hit the high again. I just don't think SPX is gonna fly through.
Me either. But
like
Q's
50,
still has
53.
like room to go. As long as it stays under like 35 to 40, but
I'm stopping out of Q's and I'm gonna probably add to ES. Honestly, you could probably do QQQ again at the IB high in Q. I just don't want to be sitting in both trades. Hey, Emmett Smith. All right, I got one little ad there on ES. It's 7,600. See if it pops above and then comes back in. Google's launching a DoorDash competitor, DoorDash.
Google's launching a DoorDash competitor?
On Google Maps.
Oh. Oh, look at that fat red candle on Dash.
Yeah,
Damn.
what does DoorDash look like on the daily? Oh, it was almost to the 200 day.
Just back tested previous day high on Dash. It's a fat red candle with volume. Look at that volume.
I mean, Uber's probably selling off too. Yeah.
Oh, the Dash options right now, due to the volatility, they're going to be terrible. I wouldn't touch them.
They're going to be gross.
Yeah, when the volatility likes that, your spreads are going to get wide between the bid and the ask on it. If you were positioned prior to it, then yeah, but not during something like that.
Oh, hydration break already?
Hydration break. All right, we're testing my stop right here on this MNQ short. We start just ripping above it. Close it out. We'll see what happens here. I'm only short 4 because I haven't got to do much today. So why is it not showing me the line on my chart for where my average entry is? What? What the heck? Price levels, maybe. It's not that one. Well, it used to. I don't know how to put it back on the chart.
All right.
Show all. Not on that one.
My average is 75.98 on ES. I still, if it can pop a little bit higher, I can add.
There we go.
If I can get my average to like 7,600 into this last 30 minutes. But if it wants to stop here, that's fine too.
Google a new hive day after the news.
I just hope this doesn't turn into a magnet. I hope it actually pushes back 10 points or so on ES. Feels like it could have one more little surge. And then we see.
Mhm.
Oh no, NQ wants to reject.
Yeah.
Yamal. God, DoorDash still getting wrecked.
Is it? I thought I saw it start to bounce after that.
Google Maps may soon let you order food with Gemini. Hidden code in the latest Google Maps app points to an upcoming Ask Maps to Order Food feature. DoorDash might be a swing short.
A Gemini. Order Taco Bell. Crunchwrap Supreme.
Oh.
With a grilled cheese burrito. Give me a little sweet treat. I want some of them little mini churros. Get a 3-pack.
Oh, Taco Bell's got churros now?
Yeah, they're actually pretty good. I ordered some the other day.
Oh, what was that?
DraftKings new high of day.
Well, of course, NQ is going to drop harder now.
Nice rejection. I should have fucking added near my stop. No, I did that this morning. I added 2 contracts near my stop, and then I had to sit in it forever just to cut it like 2 hours later.
Yes, still looks strong.
Yeah. I'll probably de-risk if we continue to knife down. That's a nice rejection. Oh. You lose 30K. Oh, I just went green. Oh. Ooh.
Of course. That's just. I'm in the wrong one. No.
Oh, DraftKings candle. Nice. Volume too. Premium's not moving yet though. But there is volume. Just not moving on premiums.
Oh, I'm thirsty. 30 minutes left. Should have went and got a drink at the hydration break.
God, when your fucking average becomes your support. Like, what the
Yeah,
fuck?
dude, that's the worst.
I'm,
It happens
I'm-
so much to me too. when
now I'm
ready
back
to
down
trade.
like $80. I'm tempted just to close it. It fucking piss me off. Oh, hilarious. Come on, DraftKings, move my premiums. What are you doing?
Dash is getting wrecked.
Is Dash still dying?
That's a pretty big move.
Oh my god!
I called out that news. It's down over 3%.
Holy shit. Yeah, I just went red on the day.
My yes average. We haven't even touched it. We haven't even tested support yet. NQ looks strong. There's a point of control for our today right there. 30.003.
Got an upper trend line right now that we're rejecting
Oh.
on QQQ. If you take
Oh.
Tuesday high, Thursday high, and today, it's what we can't get over on Qs.
Yes, what are you doing, bud?
DoorDash is still getting volume and it's just dying.
Yeah, well, I mean,
Oh,
we get the news faster than anybody.
God. That's gnarly.
Hmm.
We'll try NQ again.
I'm still in. I'm waiting for these DoorDash, not DoorDash, Jesus, DraftKings premiums to start popping. DraftKings getting candles. I am gonna de-risk this trade though if it comes down here again, because
I got in it.
Three, two, one. Green again. Come on, break my support entry call spaces. Yeah, yes. I should really just close right here.
Whoa! Whoa! What is this keeper doing? That was crazy. Kangaroo Jack over here just came off the sideline.
What?
But he was like out of bounds. He dove from out of bounds outside of the goal back in front of the goal to save a little chip shot.
Yeah, Uber's going down with it now.
Going down, Sugar, we're going down swinging.
Lyft as well. Lyft was looking good all day. It just hit support. So watch that one. Fucking bring this thing down some. God, Amazon's rejecting the level.
Just
Come on.
patience, young grasshopper.
I know. I've been sitting in it forever.
Oh, fuck, that was spicy. yeah. Closed up this market. Good. On to tomato.
Just trying to get some freaking orders filled. Gosh dang.
Like I
Do
know
I
I
need
should
to-
be trimming here at the 21, but I'm not.
I know, and I should be too, but I can't.
Still 20 minutes left.
All right, here, let's put. Do we need emojis on the chart? What do we need? Oh, the toilet bowl. Yeah. Let's put the toilet bowl here. Let's go.
Ooh,
Oh my goodness, market! It's 340. Shit.
Hey, this
Come
message
on.
here is for Ryan.
shut up. Oh my god, I'm not gonna do this.
What's
I
up,
just
I'm not
wanted
doing- no, I'm
to
not.
give a shout out.
I'm not doing this today.
I knew it. I fucking knew it. Bro, what the fuck happened to you guys? Look at
Not doing it. Not doing it.
Yo,
Not taking the
that's
bait. That was a hell of a game. That's all I'm gonna
Spain
say.
without the S, dude. Straight up pain.
Spain without
I
the.
saw you.
Spain without the S.
I saw you went heavy on
Fucking
England
hilarious.
too.
3,
Bro,
2, 1. Fill my fucking order.
Still it.
Oh my god. Why are you edging me on this short? Just break it a little bit more.
Yeah, for those that don't know, Sim was heavy long England last night, which is fine.
Heavy.
That's respectable.
Damn, I saw it. I was praying for you.
Fuck
I'm like, oh my
this.
god, keep it together, boys. 'Cause
sorry,
they're
I cut
known
out. What
to-
did you say?
They're known to fumble at the end.
I'm out. I'm keeping myself green.
They usually blow it like in like the semifinals or quarterfinals.
Dude,
too.
you don't even know the amount. I couldn't even sit. I was just standing the whole time.
I was too, but I didn't even have any money on the line. I was.
You're like, I'm way
This
too big in
isn't
this
the
trade.
usual
I'm
World
way
Cup,
too
okay?
big in this trade. That's great, though.
Amp, I got out at entry.
Pussy.
If it breaks it, I'll do the momentum break on it again, but I don't like that we're holding the 21 and bouncing
Yeah.
going into MOC right now.
I think ES wants to go one more time, but
Yeah.
we'll see.
I took a snorkel red on the account and just got a bad green, so
Any news on Rocket Lab? Oh, I don't know.
Dude, you know one thing I hate about this? Every time I get a phone call, it just turns off. Even if I deny the phone call.
Yeah. That's
But
why I
they-
have that do not disturb or whatever on my phone.
That's actually a good idea. I should do that.
I do that, and I do like also like because I get so many of those stupid like blocked numbers or like not blocked spam
Spam?
calls.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
like I have it like if I don't have your number as a contact, it won't ring on my phone.
Oh,
It'll show
that's
up, but it won't ring.
that's actually a good idea. I need to
Like
do
it
that.
goes straight to voicemail or whatever. Which I couldn't do when I ran a business, but I can do it now.
Sheesh. So did you go out and go watch Ryan, or you watched at home?
No, we watched with family. It was wild last night. I was actually at one of the malls like before the match. Just everyone has their jersey on. Everywhere was already packed. They did they cut off alcohol sales at 5 o'clock.
No, 5? Oh shit.
Well, the game was supposed to start at 6, so an
Yeah,
hour before the
yeah.
game.
So that's what they do, huh? They actually shut it
They
all
had
down.
to. They had to
Wow.
because of how crazy it got the last game. Like, no, I mean nothing like bad happened, but just like how crazy it was. They were like, let's. And all they did was stop this. Like, so I don't know if like the restaurants stopped or whatever, but the like all the Oxos and 7-Elevens and all those, they all closed.
Oh,
And
insane.
they weren't selling any alcohol after 5.
Are you guys watching this game right now?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Portugal hit the crossbar a few minutes ago.
I saw that. Market's slow.
Dude, it's been boring today.
I expected it. Anytime after 4th of July, everybody's still recovering. They're not really. A lot of people aren't even going to work.
Yeah.
They took
A lot of 4-day weekends.
yeah.
Just like a lot of people took off all of last week, a lot of the other half of the people took off today to have a 4-day weekend.
Very true.
Especially if you like went somewhere, you like left on Friday, spent the whole weekend, you got home like late last night, or you're traveling in today.
Yeah.
Plus, it's just July market. July market float higher.
Yeah.
That's usually what happens. Second most bullish month. Dude, if they took Cristiano off in the second half again, we'll have a full port Portugal.
Honestly, that was weird. I don't even know what that coach was doing.
They play so much better without him.
Well,
He takes too much of the like focus.
He does actually in so many ways.
That's the thing. Like he's a great player. He's a little past his prime, but he's still a great player. But because of who he is, it like the team, like he doesn't mesh with the team. Like they don't even like him anymore. You ever watch like after a game, after a goal or stuff, like after the game, they're all hugging each other. And nobody goes and like it's the other team is like saying hi to him. His teammates are like hugging each other. It's kind of weird. Like, and I like Cristiano. I'm not a Cristiano hater at all. I like him. I watched him grow up at Manchester United. I like Cristiano, but
yeah,
it is what it is. Like the team does not play well with him because it's like you got one guy kind of doing his thing, and like some young players that are like looking for him, and then you have like other players trying to link up and actually play. It's just not a cohesive.
I'd love to take a live bet here, but
I want Portugal to score so I can go live bet on Spain. I already have both teams to score. And I put a little bit on over 2.5 goals.
DraftKings popping, about to hit previous day high. I'm still waiting to get a fill on these contracts.
DKNG.
We're about to
Filled on the contracts. Yay. Look at that. You just got to speak it into existence.
I feel like ES could pop like all the way into close, hold this, and then pull back after. Just because of the gamma. But I'm hoping they just keep it under. Yeah,
Oh,
50
McDonald's.
seconds.
McDonald's popping too.
Watch
little
us
bit
get
of
a
volume.
huge buy side. I'm gonna be pissed. Not that I'm gonna lose it. Like it's not like I'm gonna lose a ton of money or anything.
If McDonald's pops up to 280 to 280.6 previous day high, I might be able to get a little trim off too with the DraftKings.
Well, you know what Jordy says: if she ain't 280,
She ain't a lady.
she ain't my lady.
Ain't my lady.
I was making breakfast when you guys were saying 280, and I just kept thinking that too. I was like, he's long McDonald's, and this is the quote that everyone should be saying. There we go. Boom.
Oh, no fucking way. They flashed it down right to where my first trim was, breaking 985. Motherfuckers.
There we go. They're selling Apple. They're selling Amazon. They're selling Nvidia.
What the fuck is that
The
Apple
only
candle?
buy is SpaceX, which is the QQQ, right?
What the figgity
Intel's
fuck
a
was
sell.
that?
There's major sells on everything.
Holy shit. Oh.
What's the totals?
Oh, that's fucking hilarious, man.
Still waiting on the total.
Yeah, I am too. Well, give me like 960s on in Q. I need 92 down to 90 at least on ES here.
Apple's getting a wick, but that was gnarly.
What is the overall? Somebody's asleep at the wheel here.
I don't have anything coming across mine yet either.
SpaceX is a big buy, but I think it's because they're going into NASDAQ, right? I feel like it'd be prudent to trim here, but I don't want a 3-point trim. What's the point?
Fuck it, let's go. Come on. I want to trim.
I want 65, 66 to trim.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's halftime?
Yep.
Come on, give me 92 on ES. Down to 90. I've got a bunch of trims sitting there. All right, I filled one trim on ES.
There we go. There we go.
Oh,
All right.
NQ.
There we go. All right, stop at entry now.
No,
There
I'm
we
still-
go.
Still
All
waiting.
right.
Still waiting. Hold the line. Come on, give me a little bit more.
I'm in any play. I'm in a lot of plays.
Don't bounce this. Don't bounce. Don't bounce.
I say a lot. I got a handful. About to hit 5-minute VWAP on Qs. I want to see that honestly flush without it bouncing first, but let's see.
Just bounces back to like 30K. I'm gonna stop out of NQ. Come on, where's the sell pressure? They're holding it.
I got 70. Actually, we'll go with the 75-40 puts. All right.
There it is. Fill me. Push.
Pop up first. Fuck.
There, I got filled right there. 66, 67, somewhere in there.
I'm gonna put it in an order at 150 for the 75-40 puts. If it pops up, it'll fill us.
Come on,
There's
I
your
need
5 minute
There we
on
go.
cues. There it is.
Beautiful,
Motherfucker.
beautiful.
Cancel.
Fucking knew it, man.
Trimming one more on NQ right here in the 40s.
There it goes.
Baller. 75-40 puts loaded at 290 if it fills us. 290.
I got filled on ES there too.
Give me one pop up before you dump out.
Oh, man. Fuck. 60 points.
I'm probably
290 is the entry. One more pop. Come on. Don't dump yet. Wait for me. Fill me. I'm in right here at 290.
Ooh, are those IRN calls coming in?
Dump it. More.
Ooh, IRN $65 calls, December 18, 2026. $2.48 million just came in. Multiple orders. Stock is at $44. CJ
All right,
just passed
shipping
another
here.
eval. Let's go.
Runners break even stop. Actually, no, I'm not holding runners at break even stop on this. There's way too much weakness here. I want it.
I'm gonna toggle over to another account full port short right now on that eval.
40% here, 50% now. More off right here.
Sim told me we're going lower, so I'm full port and short.
Let's
I want
fucking
6-7 points
seriously
lower.
slam it.
Where's SPX? Oh, it got it. Yeah, it's under the 40. It
75-36.
should go to 30.
DraftKings. Woo!
I hope it goes. Yeah, 6 more points on SPX.
It's a good close on DKNG. That's what we want to see, baby. Look at that ripper. That's what we want to see.
NQ, they bounced it on the one of my levels. I got to trim perfectly down there though at 42. That was beautiful.
Look at that daily. She wants higher if we can break over this spot here.
I'm moving my stop down on NQ. I'll stop out right here probably.
There's resistance here on DKNG. It just needs over top of this. Ooh, Tesla. New high of day. Volume pushing 420s.
Shit, there's only 2 minutes left.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna swing Apple.
All right, I'm just gonna trail my stop on NQ here. Yes, I still want. See if we can get down to like 82. But I'm not gonna hold my breath. Some stops down in profit on that too.
De-risk a little bit too, though.
Shit, I think SPX looks really good to buy calls tomorrow.
Oh. Tesla's a nice stick. Oh.
Do I need to go add to my SpaceX shorts? Here we go. Slam it. Slam it. Slam it. Come on, NQ. 925.
It's pre-market low on your midpoint right there on NQ.
Shut up.
I'm with you, Daddy.
Oh. Don't bounce. Don't bounce.
Ooh.
It'll stop me out at the close. All right. I think I'm just going to close here on ES.
Nice pop on McDonald's into the close. Nice pop on DraftKings into the close. Did it print that 10-minute evening star earlier? It did. Look at that. That was the reason why I stayed inside the trade. If you go to QQQ or NQ, go to your 10-minute, and you're going to see a textbook evening star.
I just flattened ES. I'm still going to sit in NQ here a little bit. Come on, pull it one more time. Pull it. I'm late for a meeting. I don't care. I need this.
He said, I don't care.
I do care, actually.
No, you don't. You're making money right now on this short.
Yeah. Come on, I closed ES. Come on, NQ. Another 20 points.
Give it to him. Yeah.
Come on. Go down there towards VWAP. Give me that 925. 925. I've got my order at 927. Move my stop down again, just in case it bounces that same spot. All right, well, I do got to jump to this meeting. So stops all the way down in profit, pretty close to getting stopped out in profit for a nice trade.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I could just leave.
Time to wrap it up. Wrap it up.
Yep, I'm just gonna jump out right here.
Double salute to the crew. Hope you guys had a real American 4th of July.
Whoa, what's that supposed to mean? All right, I'm flat across the board because I gotta
Hope
go.
y'all did it right. That's all it's supposed to be.
I had a mariachi band at a birthday party.
Actually, can't argue with that. Can't argue with that at all.
What's wrong with
I really
mariachi,
can't.
though?
Mariachis, and yeah, I'll take that all day, honestly.
All right, Jordy, take her home for me. I got to jump to this meeting because I don't want to
I'm
leave this
wrapping
guy
it,
waiting.
but
Love you guys. See y'all tomorrow.
Later, Ryan.
all right, crew.
Shout out Direction. Shout out to Power Hour sponsor there, Direction.com.
Big shout out.
Soxel, Soxess, whole list of stuff. Go read the prospectus.
Yes, you already know it. So many great ETFs, gosh. We're so lucky to work with some dope ass companies. Shout out to the crew. Direction and leverage shares, obviously. We've been doing some work with TEMA ETFs as well. You love to see it. Land the plane, Jordy, he says. Land the plane. We're coming in for landing. You're gonna want to put your tray table up, your seat in its upright position, buckle up. Gotta land the plane here. But no, it's been a great Monday. I don't think we really have much going on though. Really, rest of the week. No earnings, no data tomorrow. We double checked that there's nothing popping up, but I don't see anything. Wholesale sales at 10 tomorrow. Wait, that's not tomorrow. That's Wednesday. I don't see anything for tomorrow. Boring. Doesn't mean the market won't be good though. Market was kind of slower today, but still some great moves this morning. I mean, if you got long, you were loving today, so can't really argue with that. All right, crew. I'm out of here. Casey, love you, dog. See you tomorrow.
Love you, brother.
Stay tan, my
Everyone.
friend. Stay tan.
Great day.
Yeah, everybody enjoy the night. We'll be back bright and early. Ryan, I'll be live at 9:25, right into market open. I'll be live at 9 a.m. Eastern on Spaces. So if you guys want a little breakdown of the news early on and just, tickers we're looking at in the morning and everything, we'll be on a little early. So come hang out with me on Spaces for the first 30. And then Ryan will be on stream all day. So we'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace out, crew. Love y'all.